Greetings, my name is Enrique Gonzalez Leyva, and I'll talk for a technological proposal for the company SuperBikes. I thought of some proposals for the company to take advantage of information technologies. Currently, they are using printed formats to record customers' data. Also, they made sales using a cash register and handled their inventory in electronic spreadsheet. We could say that we could say they have a manual system useful to fulfill their needs to work, but they could improve. For example, taking advantage of the Internet of Things (IoT) to improve their performance as a company. The table's contents. First, we got the introduction, then the strategic profile of the company, next, the business process, after that, proposals for process improvement using technology, then the IT strategic planning, the conclusions, and the annex, plus some additional information. For the introduction, SuperBikes is a store dedicated to the sale and repair of bicycles. The company started as a bicycle repair shop with 2 employees. A few years later, they started to sell accessories and parts for bicycles. Their main customers are cyclists. Nowadays, they sell bicycles, clothes, and accessories for cycling, besides the repair service. For the SWOT analysis, we got the strengths. For example, the advantage of their services. There are only a few repair shops for bicycles in the area. Store stores customer data gives them a competitive advantage over other companies. Besides, they already come with a computer and internet connection. Weaknesses. They still use manual management. They have not implemented the history of services. They don't have their own website. They only have one branch and they need a better way to manage their inventory outside spreadsheets. Their opportunities. They can open more branches around the region, offer their products and services in the web, also implement the IoT to speed their work and improve their efficiency. And for its threats, they are outdated with their business management. They might left they might left behind to other companies and lost customers for lacking of advertisement or waiting times. Besides, lost their customers' data for the lack of backing data. A strategic profile of the company. The vision of this company is preserving a convenient transport method, the bicycle, to support a cycling culture and doing it by offering the people help with issues instead of looking for a replacement. While their mission is maintaining and promoting the use of bicycles as a convenient and sustainable means of transportation. As for the strategic priorities, we got the implement an automated inventory management system. Own an inventory with a database of their products which register when a product was sold and removed from the inventory. Create a customer registration system for the customers so they can participate in the reward programs. Register each sale in a database to have a history from previous sales and claim by name or ID. Own their own website or web application to advertise their store, products, announcements, for example, the opening of a new branch. And implement a customer relationship management to help the company to keep track on their customer preference. Now, the business process. By searching the internet, I found the 144 Rayos. They are a bicycle workshop in CDMX. The services they offer are divided by package. The customers select the service they want and purchase it online. After analyzing the services provided by the competitor store and the plans for the SuperBikes for the future, I made a value chain for SuperBikes. The primary activities or are bicycle and accessories for cyclists. repair workshop for bicycles, offer their products via internet, use their own web app and social media for advertising, and the rewards program for frequent customers. As for the support activities, the digital sales and inventory management, spare parts for bicycles, bicycle maintenance training, and database for products and customers, sale history, and a point of sale. With this, it's expected to improve efficiency and time. Proposals for process improvement through use of technology. Integrate a database for the inventory management. This will facilitate the inventory management and creation of an history registry from their sales and customers. Make a registration process for frequent customers. This will help them to check the products frequently bought by customers and remember their frequent claims in particular. Make a database for their sales. In order to have a complete history of previous transactions, register the items sold and who bought them. Own their own website or web application to advertise their store, products, and announcements. Scheduled by telephone calls. They can also provide their telephone number to their frequent customers. Now we got the technical sheet. The expected benefits from these ideas are better customer service, faster sales processing, insightful analytics, keep track of frequent customers, identify their best-selling products, increase sales, schedule the repair service, keep an order of the repair works. These benefits can be achieved by implementing the above proposals because the company will know its customers better. They will be able to make online sales, classify their products and the demand for them, and organize repairs to avoid time crossovers and maintain quality. And now the ET strategic planning. I made a Gantt diagram for make a planning for the times and the costs and the cost for the projects. There are three different projects. One based in make the database, other in make the form for frequent customers, and the last one to deploy the web application. As for my conclusions, after analyzing their business model, they have a wide improvement window if they implemented a digital system for management. Besides, they can expand into new areas or explore new markets taking advantage of IoTs and communication technologies. The use of web services or having their own web application might help them expand the market. It also serves as a good advertising channel for their business. We could say that implementing the suggested technologies, they might increase their profits, the sales volume, offer better services through feedback, schedule their services with more accuracy, and improve their performance during work. Overall, these practices will support the company's growth strategy and help them get the customer's preference. Here we got the annex in a TOGAF diagram. We only need the inputs because this is a simple project. It is not that complex. And applying these phases, the company can obtain the expected results and benefits. The annex is summarized in implementing digitalization to solve problems. Before finishing, I would like to share this class diagram that simulates the structure they will need to create the expected database. Also, they will need the structure for the application to work as expected. That will be all for my part. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice day.